Reinforcing both the deadbolt and the door latch together significantly raises the bar against forced entry by distributing impact forces across multiple reinforced points. Start by assessing the door and frame for gaps or rot and replace any compromised wood with a solid core door or a reinforced steel frame insert. Use long screws of at least 3 inches length driven into the structural stud behind the jamb for both the strike plate and the latch plate so the fasteners engage framing, not just trim. Upgrade both strike plates to heavy gauge steel strike plates with extended scissor style or wraparound designs that cover more jamb area and resist prying. Consider a multi-point steel reinforcement plate that ties the latch and deadbolt into a single hardened assembly so a single blow does not concentrate force at one fastener. Synchronize screw alignment by positioning the latch and deadbolt strike plates on the same vertical plane when possible to reduce torsional stress on the door during impact. Add an auxiliary reinforcement lock above the deadbolt, such as a vertical bolt or surface-mounted security bar that engages the jamb and shares the load under kick or shoulder strike. Homeowners often leave screws in factory strike plates that are less than 1 inch long, which pulls out under force, so swap them for longer screws anchored in the stud. People add a single strong deadbolt, but ignore the latch, which transmits most of the sideways impact, so upgrade both and choose matching hardened plates. Installers sometimes misalign the strike plates so bolts bind and do not fully engage, so test operation before finishing and adjust chisels or plate position until bolts slide smoothly and fully engage. For each of these, keep tightening sequence simple and test by applying steady pressure and a simulated push to confirm load sharing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects like door reinforcement and hardware upgrades and hosts a discussion community where we share installation tips and contractor experiences. We help contractors find work by showcasing their services to homeowners seeking specific improvements and by providing a place to build reputation through community interaction.